I'm Justin Pickens. I'm a motivational speaker for educators. I love spreading a message about how the intentional educator makes all the difference. Part of my mission is to encourage teachers that are questioning if this is their calling, that this is it, that their calling, this is an affirmation that they are in the work that they need to be doing and they're right where they need to be.
The extra mile educator isn't always someone with extra time. They're someone with extra intention.
I think Justin did a great job of being encouraging. We get a lot of these, speeches to us, thrown at us, and I thought he did a really good job of connecting with everybody and just showing how enthusiastic he is for the love of education and as just being a good teacher.
But I want you to always remember that every single kid is one caring adult away from being a success story.
I really liked Justin's presentation because it was raw, motivational, and it was very powerful. I came in, I was still feeling burnout, and this is exactly what I needed. I needed to confirm that this is it, this is what I'm supposed to be doing in life.
As I look at these photos in every stage of my life, what this doesn't show you is this is a boy who's been born to two parents who both dropped out in the 10th grade. Both struggled with mental illness. My mom, manic depressive bipolar disorder. My dad, extreme anger issues. It doesn't show you that both my parents have been to prison. We lived in extreme poverty, and it's okay to live in poverty. You can still be happy. It's the dysfunction we lived in.
I want people to feel inspired, encouraged, and motivated to go be that teacher that every kid and student deserves, that somebody had been for them. I want them to leave refreshed, energized, and ready to understand that this may not be the perfect career, nothing is, but it's the best calling that you possibly have and the most noble calling. And that through the power of intentionality, encouragement, they too can thrive rather than just survive in the role that they're in.
People would always ask me, well, Justin, how did you do it? How did you get out of your circumstances? And I will be completely honest, when I was a teenager and in my early 20s, I would beat my chest and I would simply say, it's because I'm built different. I'm more resilient, and I have more grit. But as I did more research and I looked back at all the breadcrumbs, I noticed a trend. At every stage of my life, I had a caring adult in my life who put a lot of time and energy into making me feel like a somebody.
His message, it connects with the teachers who are already extra intentional, and it gives them a reason to continue, and also may reach someone who has been hesitant to go that extra mile, and they're leaving here today thinking already of a kid where they're like, that's where if I can help one, I'm going to do for that one what I wish I could do for all.
Don't ever forget that the extra mile educator is somebody with extra intention. There's magic in the mundane, just with a simple name said, and that when you do feel the nudge, do for one what you wish you could do for everyone.
It was very inspiring having Justin here today. He was able to connect with the teachers that we have, and his story is very similar to what a lot of our students deal with. So hearing how he was inspired by his educators hopefully will motivate our teachers to be that one adult for our students.
What makes this special is that I'm a teacher that's in the weeds. Don't let the suit fool you. I am in the classroom. Every day I am dealing with students that need me, students that are difficult, hard sometimes, but I'm in it, and what makes me the ultimate separator is the storytelling that I have. Statistics are fantastic, but stories reach people. Stories help you feel alive again, and stories make you want to be that for somebody else when you hear something that's inspirational.
Why are you here? Who is that teacher that sparked it for you? Or who is that special somebody that you're trying to be a difference maker in? Because we all have stories, and your children and your classes still have a story that is being written. And I just want to remind you, as I saw the faces, some of you are on top of the world this year, best class you've ever had, and some of you, if Billy shows up one more time and gives you a hard time, you're walking out the door.
Teachers are tired. Teachers, some don't know if they're making a difference, and I'm here to tell them that they are. And don't ever forget that this is it. The work we do to help our students and break generational curses, we're truly breaking cycles and building futures.